In this video, you're gonna learn some tips on how to keep your makeup looking fresh and flawless even in hot and humid weather. Moisturizing your skin is so important in preventing sweaty makeup because it helps to create a really hydrated makeup base. When you have dry and dehydrated skin and you apply makeup, your skin is going to overproduce oils, which is what can lead to the shiny and sweaty appearance. By applying a lightweight moisturizer, you can provide your skin the hydration it needs without leaving it feeling greasy or heavy. This is going to help your skin control oil production, and it can also prevent your makeup from melting due to excess sweat. On top of that, moisturizing can help your skin stay healthy and youthful looking over time by improving its texture and just reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, so it's important overall. When it comes to choosing the right moisturizer to prevent sweaty makeup, it's important to look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that is not going to clog your pores or leave your skin feeling greasy. One that I would recommend is the Clinique oil-free dramatically different moisturizing gel. This is perfect because it's an oil-free formula, so if your skin tends to be really oily and sweaty, I would recommend this one because it provides up to 8 hours of hydration without making your skin oily and is absorbed by your skin quickly. This will help maintain your skin's moisture level, keeping it hydrated so that it doesn't sweat a lot. To apply this, I focus on the areas where my pores are prominent, which is usually around my cheeks and my nose area. If you have oily skin, I would recommend applying the moisturizing gel all over your face. When you apply primer, it helps to create a smooth base for your makeup and helps your makeup adhere better to your skin. But if you have oily skin or you're in hot and humid weather, your skin can overproduce sweat, which can eventually cause your makeup to slide off. So you want to apply translucent powder before you apply your foundation. By setting your primer with translucent powder, you can help to absorb any excess oil and sweat on your skin, keeping your makeup in place for a longer period. The powder also helps to reduce the appearance of shine, giving your makeup more of a matte finish. This is going to help prevent your makeup from smudging, creasing, and fading due to the sweat or the oils on your skin. For translucent powder, I would recommend the Huda Beauty Loose Baking and Setting Powder because they have many different shades for different skin tones. The shade that I use is Blondie, which is more of a translucent shade for me that has a little bit of a yellow undertone. Using lightweight products is one of the most important things in preventing sweaty makeup because heavy and thick products can trap heat on your skin and can clog your pores, leading to excess sweating. But lightweight products allow your skin and pores to breathe, which can help to regulate the temperature on your skin and prevent your skin from excess sweating. A very nice lightweight foundation that I've been loving is the Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 foundation because it's a very nice lightweight product. It just helps to even out your skin tone without making your skin feel extremely heavy. When it comes to applying foundation, it's important to know where to focus the attention on your foundation to achieve a flawless and natural looking finish. So one thing that you can do is focus foundation at the perimeter of your face first. This is important because the skin around your perimeter is typically where we need to create even skin. The center of your face tends to have more pores and discoloration. So by doing this, you can avoid applying unnecessary product at the center of your face where it's more likely to settle into your pores, causing your pores to produce oils and sweat. For concealer, I would recommend the Revolution IRL Concealer because it's also very lightweight. It's also really easy to blend and won't crease or settle in your pores. The key is to apply the concealer only on the areas where you need it so you avoid using excess product. So that is in the inner and outer corner of your eyes. This is where people tend to have the most discoloration. I also like to apply it on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. When blending out the concealer, you just want to lightly tap on the concealer to blend it out and diffuse it all under your under eye area. Even if you have really dark circles, applying concealer this way is going to help cover up majority of those dark circles. However, I would say that you do want to color correct before applying concealer if you have really dark circles. Setting spray is usually used to help your makeup stay in place for a longer period of time. It's usually formulated with ingredients that help to hydrate your skin, which could also help in things like oil control and lack of hydration. So to apply setting spray, you want to use it before applying setting powder and after you've applied all your powdered products. This will make sure your skin skin is sealed with enough hydration and could prevent excess oils from peeking through. For instance, the Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray is a really good one to apply as the last step of your makeup routine to give your skin a dewy finish. This one is really great if you have dry skin or combination skin, but if you have oily skin, a really good one is the One Size Till Dawn Setting Spray. It's sweat proof, so if you're somebody who struggles with a lot of oils, a lot of sweat on your skin, this is a really good one. It holds your makeup for up to 16 hours and it gives your skin a matte finish, very different from the Milani that gives you a dewy finish. So if you have oily skin, you want to avoid this one. So once you've applied everything on your skin, then you want to go in with your finishing spray. To apply the finishing spray, you want to hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, and you want to spritz your whole face in circular motion, making sure to cover your entire face. And you can also use this setting spray to touch up your makeup throughout the day by lightly spraying it all over the areas that need refreshing. Sometimes I find myself favoring powder foundations because of its oil-free properties. This type of foundation can really help extend the longevity of your makeup. And that's why I really recommend watching this video right here, where I explain in detail the proper technique for applying powder foundation for a non-cakey finish.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.